All right. Hi, ladies. It's actually Easter Sunday, and I'm filming tomorrow's class right now. So happy Easter, belated Easter. Um, I have some goals for us. Um, I would like to try and get all of the exercises for the remaining or of the remaining Al Gilbert curriculum to you guys between this week and next week. None of these things are incredibly difficult. They're just meant to be done really quickly. So as you guys are sending me your exercises for, it would be number 33 through 43, so 10 today. If you guys can maybe do a slow version and then also a version of it as quickly as you can. I got most everyone's exercises in last week. There are a few of you that if you sent them to me on Instagram 2 weeks ago, I didn't realize that Instagram like removes them after a certain amount of time. So if you can text those to me, 615-598-4749, or you can also email them to me, Natalie@performcenterstage.com. That would be great. If you guys can also just individually check in with me, and I'll let you know what exercises I'm missing from the beginning of the semester. I think some of those exercises may have been just like a difference in like the pattern, or I know some of them may have been like maybe you weren't there that day when we charted. So anyway, again, the goal is to get through 10 this week, send those guys to me, and then 10 the week after, so that we can put a bow on Al Gilbert grade 7 so that y'all can start grade 8 in the fall. And I think from there, that would put us at, let's see, looking at my phone for dates. That would mean that maybe we would have a live Zoom class on the 27th to really just kind of gear up for recital and to try and clean your dances via Zoom as much as possible. Again, we're hoping that recital can still proceed as usual, but I don't know what's going to happen with things. So we have a recital contingency plan in place. We're just waiting to release it once we know what guidelines and restrictions are going to be. Anyway, all right, so here we go. This is exercise number 33. So arms would be in second, but you're just going to do, it's gonna feel almost like a turn in second, I guess, but you're gonna have 4 heel drops on your left. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. From there, we have a back flap, shuffle, ball, change, heel drop, step, and then we repeat. Back flap, shuffle, ball change, heel drop. So that's the whole pattern, and ideally you would do it like 4 times in a row. So again, with no turn, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we repeat just that back flap section. Again, not difficult, but the goal would be to get it as fast as possible. So with the turn, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, again, not incredibly difficult, just the goal is to get it as fast as we can. So send those to me on the right. Let's do twice at a slower tempo, and then twice as quickly as you can. And then we'll reverse and repeat on the left. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Back flat, shuffle, ball change, heel. Step, back flat, shuffle, ball change, heel. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back flat, shuffle, ball change, heel. Step, back flat, shuffle, ball change, heel. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nope, step. Yeah, so send right side and left side. The first 2 times are slower, and then the last 2 times are as quickly as you can. All right, so that's number 33. Number 34, outside, inside cramp roll, turn in second. So this is gonna follow the same kind of heel drop, turn in second thing that we had going on. So it is just 1, 2, 3, 4. We have the left on our right, and then a step, and then we just cramp roll, turn. Feels weird to go that way, but that's what it says. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4. No, that makes more sense. Just kidding. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Flat, step, cramp, roll, turn. We repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step, cramp, roll, turn. 1, 2, 3, 4. Flat, step, cramp, roll. 1, 2, 3, 4. Flat, step. I think I've never actually done these turns in tap. So I keep wanting to treat it like a turn in second where this leg is straight, but I think in order to like stop yourself, I think it needs to be in a plie. So let me know if you guys can do it with a straight leg, that's awesome, but I feel like I can't control it, and as you can see, I'm falling out when I'm trying to do it that way. So that's the right side. Left side is 1, 2, 3, 4. Flat, step, cramp, roll. 1, 2, 3, 4. Flat, step, cramp, roll. 1, 2, 3, 4. Flat, step, cramp, roll. 1, 2, 3, 4. Flat, step, cramp. So 4 times on your right. The first 2 times are slower. The second set is as quickly as you can, and then you'll reverse it on the left. Too slow, too fast. So that is number 34. Number 35, the lap, heel, shuffle, step, rear turn. We've got a lap heel. We're going to do like a shuffle where we cross in front to turn. Here, step on our left, grip, lunge. Yep, it's that simple. Heel, shuffle, step, and go grip, lunge. Heel, shuffle, step, and go lunge. So I would like to see 4 on your right as quickly as you can, and then you'll reverse and do 4 on the left as quickly as you can. Left heel, shuffle, step, and go grip, lunge. 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 This feels kind of like extra brick, like something that you would tack on to the end of an overlap. Ta-da. All right, so that was 35. So 4 on each side for me. 36, heel, shuffle, step, step, pirouette. Okay, this one is, do these pirouettes if it feels right. I also don't want you to wipe out on your tap boards, but this is more about the pirouettes than it is the actual tap combination, which I'm always a little confused when he puts these kind of exercises in there. But anyway, I digress. We have heel, shuffle, step, step. All right, so heel, shuffle, step, step. Pirouette. Step, step. Pirouette, step, step. Pirouette, step, step. Pirouette, step, step. Double. Step, step. And then you reverse it to the other side. So it's heel drop, shuffle, ball change, 4 pirouettes with the ball change prep in between, and then a double turn. So one more time on the right. Heel, shuffle, step, step. Turn, step, step. Turn, step, step. Turn, step, step. Turn, step, step. Double turn. Lunge. We'll reverse it on the left. We have heel, shuffle, ball change, turn, step, step, turn, step, step, turn, step, step, turn, step, step, turn, lunge. So just send me, that's number 36, one on the right, one on the left, or that whole combo on the left with, or on both sides with all those turns in it. All right, number 37 is called your 5-4 combo. We have 3 drawbacks alternating. Brush, heel, step, brush, heel, step, brush, heel, step. You've already done these kind of alternating drawbacks, but this is just in an official 5-4 combo. So we have and a 1 and a 2 and a 3. We have back brush, heel, shuffle, ball change. Again. So that last little part again was just back brush, heel, shuffle, ball change. One more time. We reverse on the other side. Then we repeat one more time, starting with our right. Okay, so let's do that whole little thing 3 times. You're just alternating sides, right, left, right. From here, we have the left heels, left heel, left heel, left heel. Ball change, heel step. That whole side. Step. Left heel, left heel, left heel. Ball change, heel step. One more time. And we just reverse and repeat. So that will start on our left first. A bit faster on your left. One more time, both right and left side. So this is number 37. Make sure you send me right side and left side once of you doing it slowly, so I make sure we have all those sounds, and then doing it as quickly as possible. Yeah. What am I missing? I'm wanting to go into those alternating rabbits. All right, 38. We have 5-4 turns. So it's literally step, pirouette. That is a whole combination. Full out heel shin turn with the pirouettes, but again, the goal is to get it as fast as you can. So it gives me 4 times. First 2, let me make sure all those sounds, your full out heels are there, and then the last 2 are as quickly as you can. Right up against my ground floor. Right, on the other side. Woo, let me get those full out heels in there. So the change spot is important from the side to the front. All right, so that's pattern number 38. Whew, I'm getting warm. All right, just a couple more, guys. So 39 is your mambo combo. We have shuffle, heel, cross. All right, shuffle, heel, cross. Step on your left, back, flat, heel drop, left, right. And we've got a little mambo step in place. So that's one side. Shuffle, heel, cross, step, cross, flat, heel, heel. Step, step, step. One more time. I just do not want to put my weight on that left foot for whatever reason. We repeat the combo with a turn and a side mambo. So, shuffle, heel, cross, step, back, flat, heel, heel. So the goal is to try and get us all the way around there. Shuffle, heel, cross, step, back, flat, heel, heel. Then we have a little mambo to the side, side, step, together. Then we repeat back to the front. We repeat to the side. Side, step, together. So send that to me. Front side, slow. Then front side as quickly as you can. Yeah. Hopefully if you're spotting and not looking at your notebook, you won't fall over. Let's break it down on the other side. Shuffle, heel, cross, step, back, flap, heel, heel, rock, step, together. Just that again. Shuffle, heel, cross, step, back, flap, heel, heel, rock, step, together. One more time. Shuffle, heel, cross, step, back, heel, heel, rock, step, together. Then we turn it. Shuffle, heel, step, step, back, flap, heel, heel. Then we have a little side step together. So on your left, front side, slow, and then quickly. Front side as fast as you can. That's number 39. Number 40, we have crossing drawbacks with riffs and back flap heels. We have drawback. The left is going to cross, rush, heel, cross. And then we uncross. So if you're watching me, all right, so we have right, right, and a left, right, left. So I'm going to just do that facing you guys so you can see what my feet are doing. I'm almost making like a little box. The second one, same sounds, they just cross. So again, real slow. From here, we have 2 regular drawbacks. We have a riff forward, back flap heel. And then we repeat that riff on the left. And then we repeat one more time on the right. So that whole combo on the right is then we reverse on the left. So send it to me once right, left, and then as quickly as you can. Right, left. Well, so that's number 40. 41, I will try and do these the best that I can in my garage, and I'm also still not quite able to wing on my ankle, on my left ankle. So this is a different wing and a toe combination. This is hop toe, it's hop shuffle, hop toe back, wing and a toe. Hop shuffle, hop toe back, and the wing and a toe. We repeat that twice more. Hop shuffle, hop toe back, and a wing and a toe. Hop shuffle, hop toe, toe back, and a wing and a toe. Lunge. Then we repeat on the other side. Hop shuffle, hop toe, wing and a toe. Hop shuffle, hop toe back. Hop shuffle, hop toe back. Yes, that should be pretty easy. Hop shuffle, hop toe back, wing and a toe. So you'll do 3 on the right with a lunge, 3 on the left with a lunge. Some of these, I'm like, haven't we done these? But anyway, 42 is a 6-tap riff walk. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you have that little heel in the beginning. So basically, for all intents and purposes, it's a 5-count riff with just a heel drop in the beginning. So why don't you give me 8, 4 of them slow, and then 4 of them speeding up. That was great. So that's number 42. And then number 43, your last one today, is your 8-tap riff walk. Heel. Heel. So 4 slow, 4 fast. Yes, so just a quick review. Number 33, outside turn in second. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, back flat, shuffle, ball change, heel, and we repeat. And then you do it on the other side. We have your outside, inside turn, both turn in second, which repeats that pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Turn and roll. You do the other side. Number 35 is your flat heel shuffle step or turn. Repeat on the other side. Number 36, heel shuffle, step, step, pirouette. Heel shuffle, step, step, pirouette, step, step, 2, 3, 4, double turn. Make sure you do the other side. 37, 5, 4 combo. Ball change heel step. That one. I won't go over that one because I'm pretty sure I did that wrong. 5, 4 turns. This is pirouette, mambo combo. And we turn it. Yeah. Again, it might be better for you to like learn it and then film it, because I think I'm messing these up. And then we've got your crossing drawbacks, number 40, your wing and a toe combo, and then your 6-tap riff walk and your 8-tap riff walk. So again, after this, you only have 10 more exercises that you have to learn. So make sure to check in with me and I will let you know what exercises we're missing. If you sent, a lot of you guys sent in your exercises. If you had sent them to Instagram, you sent them to me, but I'm still missing a few. So make sure that you send those to me. And then again, the goal is for us next week, for me to give you these last 10 exercises and we will put a bow on Al Gilbert. And then everything else from here on out will just be probably live Zoom classes to make sure that you guys are, that we can polish as much as we can right now between now and recital. So anyway, keep on keeping on, guys. I know, I know that we're all wondering, like, when is this going to be done? I'm there with you, and just the fact that we're continuing to do this is, you guys are doing an awesome thing, and I know it keeps me going. So anyway, love you guys. Have a good rest of your classes today.